Hi photographers. Another week has passed and we now have the daily standout photos for week 47. Before revealing our star awardees, here is a quick reminder of our incoming DPP Shut Up Annual Awards. Call for nominations. Nominate now. Here are the photos who stand out from the rest last week. Our Bronze Star awardee is the photo from Stephen Samuel, showcasing the breaking of patterns. Our Silver Star awardee is the photo from Kenneth Nazarino, showcasing the wonders of framing. Our Golden Star awardee is the photo from Ryan Ang, showcasing the power of reflection. Congratulations! Everyone is invited in our Christmas gathering this December 7th at Forest Hill Resort. Please see the group for details. Until next week, as we bring you the standout photos of Davao phone photography.